How does it go now? Don't step off it right now. See how the puck goes. You gotta work it in. Skate around, you guys. Go, you guys, go. No, both go. Let Haley go for a skate by herself. Jared, can you step off for a minute so Haley can skate? Step right off. Go, Haley, go for a skate. Don't step off it. That's it, hon. Good job. Okay, now let the boys do some stopping. Jared, show me how you can stop on it. Just Jared now, Brent.